Hello. Um, a short example of decorating, for example, this plate with images or decoration elements like the grass and the flowers. Okay, I switched to the Nomad app, um, and this is a plate with the decoration painted on. Um, and it looks like this. Okay, but this is later on. I clear the scene and okay. I start with the plate. No, come on. I add a cylinder. I'm turning the wireframe on, and I reduce the division. I think this is okay. Um, I constant density I turn off and turn the y division to 1. Now come on. And I'm reducing the height of the object to this. And now I think I can validate it. Okay, it looks like this. Make the top view, and then we can selection mask it. And in the selection mask, there are a few settings. Shape ellipse is centered. And okay, I hope this is enough. And this is the mask. And okay, top and bottom is masked. And I turn the gizmo on, and now we can bring it up and scale it a little bit, for example, like this or so. And in the gizmo tool, make sure that here's on auto, but you can set it on vertex like this to scale it right. Okay, we can clear the mask, not invert, clear. And we can make another mask. And this mask we can invert. That's only the border of the plate is selected. And now we can turn the gizmo on and we bring it a little bit down. Now we have a plate. Okay, selection mask, clear. I think it's okay. Now for the paintings with pictures, we need more resolution or a higher mesh. I subdivided a few times. The higher the mesh, the better is the result of the picture. We can let a subdivision, flat subdivision on, then it is then are the edges sharp. You can do it like you like, like you want. Okay, I can turn the wireframe off, and now we need pictures. I go to the internet and I searched for PNG. It's important to have a white background or pure black and white. The grass is green, that's not so important, but the best results are with black and white images. I downloaded this and go back to Nomad, and in the painting section, we go to Paint tool, and on the brush settings we can change. I start from the beginning, I delete this one and this one, delete, and I press the plus sign, go to the photos library and bring the grass inside. And now you can invert it, invert value, this, and now you can bring it here. You can turn the symmetry off, and one setting is sometimes important. The fall off is better when it's flat, I think. And the stroke type is not dots, grab dynamic radius. That's the settings you have to turn on. And here I think we've selected everything was what important is. And now you can bring this image here. You see there's this image is not completely white with a white background. There's a shade in it. You can adjust this in Procreate, for example. I bring this here and you see it's not a pure white black background. You have to adjust it. The best result is with a pure white background. You can adjust this with hue, saturation and brightness and bring it to a real bright white. Then this gray shade does not appear. But okay, the technique is the same to bring these pictures on the plate. We can change it to, for example, this flower. And this is a result with a not inverted picture. You can go again to the brush settings and invert value. And now you've got the flower to paint on the plate. And this flower has a pure white background. Okay, that's the way you can do it. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.